Hey, what's going on, you guys? WolfKiller428 here, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Bluey Playhouse and the Healer family vehicle. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Alright guys, so I just got everything unboxed and unpackaged, so now it's time to open the latch and open up the Playhouse. So, looking off the bat, it's pretty accurate. Of course, you got the watermelon rug.
Can we have a rug race first? Yeah! Race it, go!
Kiwi rug down there.
Kiwi rug.
Pretty accurate from the show. Begin adding furniture. Of course, you got the master bedroom, living room, cushions, Bluey and Bingo's bedroom, bathroom, and this does open and close. Toilet does, so. Kitchen. Of course, these cabinets do open up, and the oven also does open up. So cool. Dining room, chairs. Piano, xylophone.
And feet.
What? How did I get fingers up my nose? Oh, the magic xylophone. Give me that xylophone. Give me that.
Chattermax.
Look what I found!
This pops down, and then you got the dance mode.
Dance mode!
Ah. Are you okay? I'm fine. Just ignore this.
That's that in a second. And you got Lucky the neighbor, Bingo, and Bluey. And they do move their arms and their legs. And then the tail also moves. So let's try that dance mode. This is basically what they do. Just 360, I guess. So not that interesting. Try out the beds. So the beds are usable. Couch is usable. Tub is usable. I believe Bluey and Bingo can both sit. Yep. And the toilet. Yep. Now, unfortunately, I don't think Bandit can fit in the toilet. It's very small. Fortunately, I don't have Chili, the mom, but that's alright. So that's 3 out of the 4 main characters. It does come with some stickers. Decorate the house a little bit. So that's pretty neat. And I'll show you the back 2 hedges. So I'll just add those. These attach right down here. And back door does open up. So that is usable. This requires 3 AAA batteries to operate the sound. So I already did this before the video. Hit this octopus right here. Does some music. Move it to the middle.
Gotta be done.
It does talking scenes. So yeah, pretty cool. And now I'll show you guys the Healer family vehicle. So this is the vehicle. See? Drives pretty straight. Pop open the roof. And as you can see, it comes with stickers to decorate the inside of the vehicle. Bandit. Couple surfboards. And if you're wondering why the steering wheel is on this side, it's because in Australia, steering wheel is on the other side of the vehicle, along with they also drive on the other side of the road. So we got Bandit in there, got Bingo, and Bluey in the back seats. And their tails do go through the back, so they can fit. And there we go.
Could we have a hairy monster attack on the way?
Pretty cool. Pretty good gift for the little ones. And if you're an adult like me and if you're really into Bluey, I guess it's a really good collector's item. So I hope you guys like the setup and review of the Bluey Playhouse and the family vehicle. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.